You want to get better at using online tools like Canva, but every time you open it, it feels impossible to know where to start. There are new AI features, endless templates, and no proper tutorials that actually walk you through it step by step. And that's frustrating because you know Canva can help you create faster, better, and way more professional designs. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Canva AI in 2025 the right way. Simple, clear, and beginner friendly. Let's start with Magic Design, which is Canva's most powerful AI feature for beginners. Here's why this is important. Instead of staring at a blank canvas wondering where to start, Magic Design creates entire professional designs for you in seconds based on what you need. This means you can skip the hardest part, the initial concept, and jump straight to customizing something that already looks great. Start by opening Canva and logging into your account. On the home page, look for the purple. What do you want to create today? Search bar, type what you need. For example, Instagram post about coffee or presentation about marketing. You'll see a purple sparkle icon that says Try Magic Design. Click it. Canva's AI will instantly analyze your request and generate 8 to 10 complete design options. Each design includes relevant images, color schemes, fonts, and layouts. Scroll through all the options. They're all unique and tailored to your topic. Click on the design you like best. The design opens in the editor, fully customizable. You can change text by clicking on any text element and typing your own. Swap images by clicking on them and selecting Replace Image. Adjust colors using the color palette tools in the top toolbar. Once you're happy with your edits, click Share in the top right. Choose Download to save it to your computer. Select your preferred file format, such as PNG for images or PDF for documents. And just like that, you've created a professional quality design in under 3 minutes. What used to take hours of browsing templates and matching colors is now done instantly by AI. You'll have a polished, on-brand design ready to post or present. There are a few mistakes beginners need to avoid with Magic Design. Mistake number 1 is being too vague in your prompt. Don't just type social media post. Be specific. Include your topic, mood, and purpose like Instagram post about vegan recipes, bright and fresh. Mistake number 2 is accepting the first design without exploring other designs. Always scroll through all the options Magic Design creates. The best one for you might be near the bottom. Finally, mistake number 3 is over-editing the AI design. The designs are already balanced. Changing too many elements at once can ruin the professional look. Make small, intentional tweaks instead of overhauling everything. Next up is Magic Write, and this is a game changer if you ever struggle with writer's block. Here's why you need to know this. Writing compelling copy for your designs, whether it's social media captions, blog post outlines, or presentation content, can take longer than the design itself. Magic Write acts as your AI copywriter, generating professional text in seconds so you can focus on the creative aspects. Here's how you do it. First, create a new doc by clicking Create a Design and selecting Doc. You can also open any existing design that has text elements. In a doc, you simply type forward / on your keyboard. A menu will pop up. Select Magic Write. In a design, you click on any text box, then look for the purple sparkle icon. A text box will appear asking what you want to write. Be specific. Write an engaging Instagram caption about sustainable fashion, or create 5 bullet points about productivity tips. The more detailed your prompt, the better the results. Press Enter or click Generate. Magic Write will generate your content in 2 to 3 seconds. Read through the generated text. You can click Try Again if you want different options. Edit any parts to match your voice and style. You can also ask Magic Write to make it shorter, longer, or change the tone. Once satisfied, click Insert or the content will already be in your text box. Copy and paste it into any part of your design. Now you have professionally written, engaging content without the stress of staring at a blank page. Whether you needed a compelling caption, presentation script, or marketing copy, Magic Write has given you a polished starting point that would have taken you 30 minutes or more to write from scratch. When using Magic Write, watch out for these mistakes. Mistake number 1, using generic prompts. Saying write a caption gives generic results. Include details, your brand voice, target audience, and specific call to action as needed. Mistake number 2. Copying AI text word for word without editing. Magic Write gives you a foundation, but you need to add your personal voice and specific details to make it authentic. Mistake number 3. Not specifying tone or length. Always tell Magic Write if you want it formal, casual, funny, or professional, and approximately how long you need it. Magic Eraser is one of those tools that feels like actual magic. And here's why it's essential. We've all had that perfect photo ruined by a random person in the background, an unwanted object, or a distracting element. Instead of abandoning the photo or spending money on professional editing software, Magic Eraser removes these elements in seconds with AI-powered precision. First, you open any design or create a new one. Upload the photo you want to edit by clicking Uploads in the left sidebar. Drag your image onto the canvas. Click on the image to select it. Select the image you want to edit with your cursor. Click on the Magic Eraser icon in the top toolbar. This will activate the tool. Your cursor will turn into a brush. Click and drag the brush over the object you want to remove. You can adjust the brush size using the slider if needed. Cover the entire unwanted element. Once you've marked the area, release your mouse. Canva's AI will automatically analyze the surrounding pixels. In 2 to 3 seconds, it will seamlessly remove the object and fill in the background. If you're not satisfied, you can undo and try again with a different selection. Zoom in to check the details. You can erase additional elements or touch up any spots. Click Done when you're satisfied. You now have a clean, professional-looking photo with all distractions removed. What would have required expensive editing software and advanced Photoshop skills just took you less than a minute. Your images will look polished and professional, perfect for any project. Make sure you avoid these mistakes while using Magic Eraser. Mistake number 1. Being too precise with small selections. Magic Eraser works better when you generously cover the entire unwanted object, including some surrounding area. Don't try to trace perfect edges. Mistake number 2. Trying to erase complex, intertwined elements. If the object you want to remove overlaps significantly with what you want to keep, like someone's arm around another person, Magic Eraser will struggle. Choose simpler removals. Mistake number 3. Not checking the result at full zoom. Always zoom in to inspect the erased area closely. Sometimes the AI leaves small artifacts that look fine from far away, but grainy up close. Magic Edit takes photo manipulation to the next level, and here's why you need to master this. Sometimes you need to add, replace, or modify elements in your photos. Maybe you want to change someone's outfit color, add objects to a scene, or replace the background. Magic Edit uses generative AI to make these complex edits simple, giving you capabilities that used to require professional designers. First, select the image you want to edit in your design. Click Edit Photo in the toolbar. Find and select Magic Edit from the menu. Use the brush tool to highlight the specific area you want to change. Be precise with your selection. You can adjust the brush size for better control. Write a clear description in the text box on your left of what you want to add or change. For example, you can write Golden Retriever Puppy, Red Roses, or Modern Office Background. Be as specific as possible for best results. Click Generate and wait 5 to 10 seconds. Canva AI will create 4 different variations of your edit. Scroll through each option that appears on the left side of your editor screen. Click on the version you like best. The AI-generated element will blend seamlessly into your photo. You can generate more options. If none of the first batch work, click Done when satisfied. You've just performed advanced photo editing that would normally require hours in Photoshop and serious technical skills. Your photo now has AI-generated elements that blend naturally, opening up endless creative possibilities for your designs. When using Magic Edit, try to avoid these common errors. Mistake number 1, using vague descriptions. Saying, add a dog, will give unpredictable results. Be specific. Add a golden retriever puppy sitting down gives you much better control. Mistake number 2, selecting too large an area. Magic Edit works best on smaller defined areas. If you select half of your image, the results become unpredictable and can look unnatural. Mistake number 3, expecting perfection on the first try. Magic Edit is generative AI. It creates different results each time. Don't settle for the first batch if it's not quite right. Regenerate until you get something that works. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss tutorials like this. I post weekly content on design tools, productivity, and online business. Also, drop a comment below telling me which Canva feature you're most excited to try. Now let's keep going. Text to image is revolutionary, and here's exactly why. Stock photos are everywhere, and they can make your designs feel generic. With text to image, you can generate completely unique, custom images using just text descriptions. This means your designs will be original, perfectly match your vision, and you'll never worry about image licensing issues again. In your design page, go to the left sidebar. Click on Magic Media. You'll see a text box that says, "Describe the image you want." Write a detailed description. For this exercise, type a cozy coffee shop interior with warm lighting, wooden furniture, plants, and a barista making latte art. Photorealistic style. Include details about style, mood, colors, and specific elements. The more descriptive, the better the results. Below the text box, you'll see style options. Choose from photography, digital art, or fine art. You will also see the square icon. Click on it. Select an aspect ratio, square, portrait, or landscape. Click on Generate Image. Wait 10 to 15 seconds for AI to create your images. Canva will generate 4 different interpretations of your description. Click on the image you like best. It will automatically be added to your design. You can resize, move, and edit it like any other image. If you don't love any options, adjust your description and generate again. Congratulations! You've just created a completely unique, custom image without taking a single photo or hiring an illustrator. This gives you unlimited creative freedom and ensures your designs stand out with one-of-a-kind visuals. Here are a few minor errors to avoid when using Magic Media. Mistake number 1. Writing short, basic prompts. A cat won't give you anything special. Write detailed prompts like, a fluffy orange cat sleeping on a windowsill with sunlight streaming through. Cozy atmosphere. Soft focus photography. Mistake number 2. Not specifying the art style. Always choose whether you want photo, art, drawing, 3D, or pattern style. This dramatically affects your results. Many beginners skip this step finally. Mistake number 3. Forgetting about commercial use limitations. While Canva Pro allows commercial use of AI-generated images, always double-check the terms for your specific plan before using the generated images. Magic Expand solves a problem every designer faces. You have the perfect image, but it's the wrong dimensions for what you need. Maybe you need it for Instagram stories. However, your picture is square. Or you need your picture to be landscape, but have it in portrait instead. Instead of cropping out important parts or searching for a new image, Magic Expand uses AI to intelligently extend your image in any direction. Click on the image you want to expand in your design. Make sure it's selected. You'll see a blue border. Click Edit Photo in the top toolbar. Scroll to find Magic Expand in the editing menu. Click to activate it. On the top of the toolbar, click Expand, then Freeform. You'll see handles appear around your image. Drag the handles outward in the direction you want to expand. You can expand horizontally, vertically, or in all directions. The white space shows where AI will generate new content. Once you've set your desired size, click Expand. AI will analyze the existing image edges. In 5 to 10 seconds, it will create seamless extensions that match your photo. The AI generates pixels that blend naturally with the original. Check if the expansion looks natural. You can undo and try different expansion amounts. Click Done when you're satisfied. You now have a perfectly sized image that maintains all the important elements of your original photo while fitting your design requirements. No awkward cropping, no black bars, no hunting for replacement images, just a seamless, professionally extended image. When using Magic Expand, be mindful of these issues. Mistake number 1. Expanding images with complex edges. Magic Expand struggles with intricate details at the edges. like tree branches or hair. Choose images with simpler edges for best results, or expand from sides with cleaner backgrounds. Mistake number 2, expanding too far in one direction. Expanding your image 300% wider will look obviously AI generated. Keep expansions moderate. Usually 30 to 50% in any direction looks most natural. Mistake number 3, not checking the seams. After expanding, zoom in where the original image meets the AI generated part. Sometimes there's a visible seam that you can touch up with other tools. Background remover is essential for creating professional designs, and here's why. Isolated subjects with transparent backgrounds give you maximum flexibility. You can place your subject on any background, create collages, design product mockups, or make professional-looking marketing materials. This tool does in one click what used to take 30 minutes of manual selection work. Click on the image with the background you want to remove. The image should have a clear subject you want to isolate. Go to the toolbar above your picture. Look for BG Remover at the top of the editing menu. Click it once. Canva's AI will automatically detect your subject. It removes the background in 2 to 3 seconds. The subject remains while everything else becomes transparent. Use Erase Brush to remove any remaining background pieces. Use Restore Brush to bring back parts of the subject if needed. Zoom in to check edges and details. Once satisfied, click Download. Your subject now has a transparent background. You can place it on any colored background, gradient, or other image. You've created a professional cutout with clean edges in under 30 seconds. Your subject can now be placed anywhere, giving you endless design possibilities and that polished, professional look that makes designs stand out. These are some things to avoid when using this feature. Mistake number 1, using low quality or low contrast images. If your subject blends too much with the background or the image is blurry, background remover will struggle. Use high-resolution images with clear subject-background distinction. Mistake number 2, not cleaning up the edges. The AI is good, but not perfect. Always zoom in to check for leftover background pixels or missing parts of your subject, and use the Erase, Restore brushes to fix them. Mistake number 3, forgetting about shadows. Sometimes you want to keep the subject's shadow for realism. If background remover removes it, you may need to manually restore it or add a new shadow effect. Magic Grab is incredibly useful when you find the perfect image, but the composition isn't quite right. Here's the power of this tool. It lets you select and move individual subjects within a photo, even if they're not on separate layers. You can reposition people, objects, or elements to improve your composition without complex editing. This gives you creative control over any image. First, you click on your image. Select Edit from the toolbar. Find and click Magic Grab. Click on the subject or object you want to move. The AI will automatically detect and highlight it. A purple outline will show what's selected. You can adjust the selection by clicking different areas. Once selected, click Grab. Magic Grab will separate your selected element from the background. The AI automatically fills in the background where the object was. Click and drag the separated element anywhere on your canvas. Resize it by dragging the corner handles. Rotate it if needed using the rotation handle. Position everything exactly where you want it. The AI-filled background blends seamlessly. Click away or select Done when finished. You've just taken a regular photo and completely rearranged its composition, giving you a custom layout that's perfect for your needs. This level of control makes every image adaptable to your specific design requirements. Here are a few things to keep in mind when using Magic Grab. Mistake number 1, trying to grab elements that overlap significantly. Magic Grab works best with distinct, separate subjects. If 2 people are hugging or objects are intertwined, the AI can't cleanly separate them. Mistake number 2, not adjusting the background fill. After moving an element, check if the AI-filled background looks natural. Sometimes it needs a second pass or manual touch-up with Magic Eraser. Mistake number 3, moving elements to unnatural positions. Just because you can move something doesn't mean you should keep lighting direction and perspective in mind. A person with right side lighting shouldn't be placed where left side lighting would make sense. If you're creating content for international audiences, Canva's Translate feature is a massive time saver. Here's why this matters. Instead of manually recreating your entire design in multiple languages or hiring translators, I can instantly translate all your text while maintaining your design layout. This is crucial for businesses, content creators, and anyone reaching global audiences. Have your completed design open with all text finalized. Make sure all text is in text boxes. You will see a box highlighting the text. Click the three dots from the toolbar above the text. Select Translate from the drop-down menu. A sidebar will appear with language options. Scroll through or search for your target language. Canva supports over 100 languages. Click on your chosen language. AI will instantly translate all text in your design. The layout automatically adjusts to fit the translated text. Each translation creates a new page in your design. You can switch between language versions. Review translations for accuracy and context. Make manual adjustments if needed for greater accuracy. You now have professional translations of your entire design in multiple languages, all while keeping your visual layout intact. What would have taken hours or cost hundreds in translation fees is done instantly, allowing you to reach global audiences effortlessly. When you use the Translate feature, watch out for these mistakes. Mistake number 1, trusting the translation blindly. AI translation is good but not perfect, especially for idioms, cultural references, or marketing language. Always have a native speaker review before publishing. Mistake number 2, not adjusting text sizes after translation. Some languages take up more space than others. For instance, German is longer, Chinese is shorter. Your text boxes might need resizing to look balanced in each language. Mistake number 3, translating text embedded in images. The Translate feature only works on editable text in text boxes. It can't translate text that's part of an image or graphic element. Keep all text in separate text layers. And there you have it, the complete guide to using Canva AI in 2025. You now know how to use Magic Design, Magic Write, Magic Eraser, Magic Edit, Text to Image, Magic Expand, Background Remover, Magic Grab, and Translate. These 9 tools will transform how you create content and save you countless hours. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into action. Open Canva right now and try at least one of these features today. I guarantee you'll be amazed at what you can create. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more design tutorials, AI tools, and productivity tips. Click the bell icon so you're notified when I post new videos. And if you want to see more Canva tutorials, check out the video I've linked in the card above where I show you advanced Canva tricks. Drop a comment below with what you created using these AI tools. I read every single comment and love seeing what you make. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now go create something amazing.